Flax seeds are rich in nutrition and they are beneficial when consumed internally or applied externally. Flax seeds are one of the sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids which promote heart health and brain function. These seeds regulate digestion and bowel movements because they are rich in dietary fiber. Flax seeds are rich in minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, etc., which are very important for a good bone health. They are rich in antioxidants that balance the hormones. Its anti-inflammatory properties work on skin conditions and make the skin healthier. How can flax seeds be used? You can dry roast the flax seeds for about 1 to 2 minutes on low flame, powder them and use them in curries, any side dishes we regularly consume. You can also sprinkle flax seeds directly on salads, smoothies or even pancakes like dosa batters regularly to make sure they are being consumed on a daily basis. Here is a pro tip. Always refrigerate the flax seeds because they can turn rancid over a period of time when stored in warm places or room temperatures.